Hi everyone and welcome back to another video. So if your video looks too dark, dim or hard to see, it usually means there is a HDR settings, brightness, configuration or display issue affecting how the picture is shown. In this guide, I will show you step by step how to fix dark video on Prime Video in 2026, simple and effective. But you have to know that dark video is often HDR related. Okay, can also be caused by TV or device settings, and it's very common on modern TVs. Okay, so focus on HDR plus display settings. Okay, so first thing, increase TV brightness and backlight. So go to your TV settings, increase brightness and backlight. It instantly improves visibility. You can also change picture mode, like switch from cinema, movie mode. Okay, try standard or vivid mode. Brighter modes improve dark scenes. Okay, adjust HDR settings, like disable HDR temporarily if too dark, or tweak HDR brightness. Some TVs handle HDR poorly. Okay, check ambient light sensor, like turn off eco mode or ambient light sensor so it prevents automatic dimming. Increase app streaming quality, like open Prime Video settings, set quality to best. Higher bitrate means better brightness details. Okay, you can check HDMI setup, like external devices. Okay, like use high-speed HDMI cable, enable HDR or UHD or enhanced HDMI. It ensures proper brightness output. Okay, so this is it guys for today's video. Thank you for watching and see you in the next tutorial.